How to download OBS screen recorder for Twitch stream. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can download OBS for Twitch stream. How to download OBS streamer and screen recorder for Twitch streams. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can download OBS screen recorder and stream software for Twitch stream. So for that, you need to search in Google Chrome or any browser OBS download. After that, you will see that first website download OBS. So simply click on download OBS. Once you click on OBS download, after that you get to that new page. So simply you need to click on download installer. I will simply click on download installer. Now wait. After that, your OBS installer will be start downloading. Once it get downloaded, you need to simply open it, and after that you will click on next, and you need to select the storage where you want to install it, and after that you will click on again install, and your OBS screen recorder and live streamer will be start downloading for your Twitch streams. Thanks for watching.